What's the meaning of as you like it? As you like it. As you like it.
As you like it. As you like it. As You Like It is a comedic play by William Shakespeare, first performed in the early 17th century. The play follows the adventures of Rosalind, who flees persecution in her uncle's court and finds love and happiness in the forest of Arden. The title suggests that the play invites audiences to approach it with their own preferences and biases, as the characters grapple with issues of gender, identity, and the pursuit of love and happiness. Ultimately, As You Like It celebrates the joy and beauty of life lived on one's own terms.